Discover the magic of children's ceiling fans with lights. Our helicopter-inspired design brings warmth and comfort to your child's room, while the high-quality LED lights provide a soft, flicker-free glow. With a remote control and multiple settings for color temperature, wind speed, and timer functions, this fan is perfect for creating a wonderful atmosphere for your little ones. Experience the joy of imagination and peaceful sleep with our silent motor and durable construction. Upgrade your child's room today. Please like, share and subscribe to help this channel. Thanks for watching.